Hi guys, so today I'm just going to do a little voiceover of what I got in my Boxy Charm box for the past 2 months because I didn't do an unboxing of them. So this is my one Boxy Charm box that I have and I opened it already. It comes with this little chart thing to give you some advice on different eyeshadows, so that's kind of cool. And it just says Boxy and chill, and it talks to you about the different things that are in your actual box this month. So what came in my box was the Tarte C Volume eyeshadow. I got a Strength and Moisture leave-in mask with no sulfates, no silicone, and no paraffins. This is for my hair. I also got a Starlooks eye pencil just to, you know, line your eye. As well as this long-lasting liquid lipstick by Ofra, which comes in handy, I guess, because, you know, it's winter now, so red lips always look nice. And it also came with a dewy skin mask by Tatcha, and I got 2 of them. So that's what was in my box for last month. And I'm going to show you the inside of this in a minute. Now this is my second box. And it has the same pamphlets on the inside. But this one came with an eyeshadow palette. Oops. Oh well. But the colors, you can see, they're very nice. So I'll be using that. Here is the inside of the Tarte eyeshadow palette. I had taken it out because I used it over the weekend. This is the inside of it. The colors are beautiful. It's like, I don't know which one I want to use for what look. They're gorgeous. And it has this nice mirror. It also came with this. If you guys can see that. But this is by Cosmeti. It's a face mask, a charcoal detoxifying face mask. So I'll try this out and see if I like it. I also got this by Pretty Vulgar. What this is it's powder. It's a matte translucent powder. Let's see the color. I can show you guys the color. Oh, it comes with this nice little thing. I love when they have these in it because it keeps the powder in there. But it's a translucent matte powder, so I'll try that and see how it works. I have the Becca one, but I actually wish the Becca one came with one of these because my Becca translucent powder is all over the place. And it also came with a lip pencil by Bodyography. It's kind of hard for you guys to probably see this, but this is a lip pencil by Bodyography in this color. The camera's like not focusing. It's focusing on everything else. Huh? But it came with this. Sorry guys, I'm not going to be able to get this one in focus. And then it also came with a Tarte lip shimmer. Let's see the color this is. The color is Insta Famous. And let's see. Oh my goodness, this is a very pretty color. Look at this. It's like a pink. And it has glitter in it. I'll swatch it so you guys can kind of see. It's like that pretty shimmery pink color. I actually really like that. And those are my 2 boxes from Boxy Charm. I actually was able to get a Luxe box. So next month I'll do my unboxing of my Luxe box just so you guys can kind of see like what's in them. I actually really like them. It gives me something to look forward to, especially because I don't really want to be spending money on makeup and skincare and stuff, so I can deal with, you know, $21 a month, and it's kind of like a surprise. You get a whole bunch of different things, and Boxy Charm does a really nice job of putting different things together, and I could really appreciate it. So I just wanted to show you guys, you know, this Boxy Charm video so you guys can kind of see, and hopefully you guys will get it for yourselves. This wasn't a sponsored video. It was just something that I wanted to show you guys so you guys could see it, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And I hope that you guys have a great week. Rate, comment, and subscribe.